I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for your resume. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Set your canvas to a standard resume size, typically 8.5 by 11 inches, or 216 by 279 millimeters. Use frames to neatly separate sections like contact information, work experience, and education. This structured approach will make your design process much smoother and more organized from the very beginning. Now let's dive into design elements. Pick one or two professional, easy-to-read fonts and stick to a consistent color palette, perhaps 2 or 3 colors. Use text boxes for all your content, including your name, contact details, work history, and educational background. Simple shapes and lines can effectively guide the reader's eye, creating a clear visual flow and emphasizing key information without cluttering the layout. With your layout in place, it's time to add your compelling content. Clearly articulate your professional experience, quantifiable achievements, and relevant skills. Pay close attention to alignment and spacing. A well-aligned resume looks polished and professional. Before you consider it finished, meticulously proofread for any typos or grammatical errors. A flawless resume makes a strong first impression, reflecting your attention to detail. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Always export your resume as a high-quality PDF file to preserve your design and ensure it looks consistent across all devices. Before sharing, open the PDF and carefully review every detail to confirm everything appears exactly as intended. Now you have a professional, custom-designed resume ready to impress potential employers. Go ahead and share your work with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.